Matikela, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today, I can't wait for what's going to go down in that courtroom, the so-called heads, because I foresaw that Numalo is ready right there on the spot. You know, sometimes we get mad when Numalo does not say anything. We get mad when Numalo is like, yeah, when he's sitting there as if he's not there, we get mad at times. But Nxumalo seemingly he knows when to speak. I'm not saying Abanye they don't. I'm just saying Nxumalo knows when will he speak. He's not gonna speak because we want him to speak. He will speak when he sees a need and an opportunity for him to address the court. Tell me why Nxumalo was the only one who was like ready right here, right now. Unxumalo on Thursday already, and Unxumalo is the one that was very vigilant of everything that was happening in that courtroom. Unxumalo is the one that saw everything that was happening and saw things that we as the public could not see. Nxumalo was very vigilant. Nxumalo was someone that was like, I'm here and I'm very much awake. I don't know if you guys have noticed how Nxumalo is very sharp-minded, how Nxumalo notices everything, how Nxumalo does not get into traps. Yes, Nxumalo got up. Judge Ratha asked if it's allowed or no. The question that Judge Ratha asked was, did accused number one's confession? Did Baloyi go through accused number one's confession with accused number one? Ramsipile said no. Judge Ratha stopped Umnisi when he was going through that because, according to Judge Ratha, accused number one says he never made no confessions. And then Umnisi did not want to commit in that. Umnisi said, no, I'll just have to go and check. It's a lot that we did with here. And then Nxumalo got up and said, yes, the state did go through the confession. Next state also said, yes, we did go through the confession with accused number one. Now, what I liked about at that time, people were like, why would Nxumalo get up and say yes when the others are saying, when Ramsipile is saying no and DBC is saying he's not sure? Why is he getting up and saying this? Why is he not teaming up with his team? Nxumalo is not that kind of a boy, Gesana. He was like, me, I know my work, I know the law, I read and I understand. Because he gets up and says, and according to, he did give this authority, I forgot the name, he gave an authority that this, and then Ujad Ratha jumped in. Ujad Ratha is always impressed by someone who brings authorities. Even if he's not going to stand with you, but the mere fact that you read it to Judge Ratha is a bonus. To Judge Ratha, that is a bonus. He is always pleased with someone who brings authorities. I don't know if you guys have noticed. If you want to win favor, it doesn't matter, even if it's not a winning favor from Judge Ratha. Know your authorities. He's like that. So Nxumalo stands up and stands against Judge Ratha, like, no, they were used, and I can tell you with authorities to use and why they are used, because they when you are admitting them after the trial, within a trial, you say you admit them, then it means they are going to be used inside the main trial now. So when they are read throughout, that means questions can be asked from them. So I'm saying he is sharp-minded because Nxumalo saw right through Judge Ratha. Whatever Judge Ratha was trying to do there or say, Nxumalo is ready for him. Nxumalo is ready for him. Mind you, Nxumalo is very thorough, very good with Ama heads of arguments. Nxumalo at that point, and he did not see the need, Ama heads of argument. Nxumalo did not see why they can't do it tomorrow. That was Thursday. Nxumalo wanted them to be done by Friday. But then there was an opportunity, a discussion of, so if we are going to, because Judge Ratha is saying, come and tell me, he was asking them to do heads of arguments. Shololo was absent and they were like, he was like, tell him Shololo too. Now, Judge Ratha wanted this week, he wanted to say they can go prepare on Friday. Then on Monday, the state files, then on Tuesday, the defense response. Then on Wednesday, they come back, or Thursday. I don't know. But it looked like it was going to be something like that. Nxumalo was like, okay, stop right there. We're not doing that. This is nothing. This is a pap and place. We can eat it right now. We can cook and eat it right now. We're not wasting time. Let's do it Monday already. There's no need to fight like that. We can all bring those arguments here on Monday. exchange them here and there. Hey, what daughter? I was like, I was like, we're not doing that here. That we are not going to do. So I was so impressed with him. I was so happy with him because Nxumalo is one of those thorough gents, guys. Is one of those thorough gents who goes through things, who goes through. The way he goes through records, Nxumalo does not just go through record and brings nothing. He will come back and use that record and deal with you. Ubaloy on the other side, he uses records, the records to try and trap someone. Nxumalo comes back and really traps you and you admit, because we've seen it with uZungu. Nxumalo dealt with uZungu ka record yakhe. Nxumalo dealt with uTumelo. Nxumalo dealt with uZanti. uZanti wade wakwata. uZanti was so angry because Nxumalo was dealing with her from the things that she said already prior, because Nxumalo is representing number 4. So Nxumalo was dealing with him. He was like, we sense Ganja. You are not doing that here. You said A, B, C, D, so stick with that. So he's that guy who reads, who sees things, smaller nyana skeletons Nxumalo will find. And I know the reason Nxumalo was jumping up like that, because Nxumalo was very confident. And he did not even sit down when, you know what Jadrata does, talking over people. Nxumalo, this time, the way he was so confident, he did not want to even sit down. He did not want to even sit down. He was like, no, we can do all of this on Monday. He was the one who controlled the entire situation to an extent that he won. On that aspect, he won Nxumalo, guys. I do not want to even lie. He won that aspect because the guy was like, no, we're not doing it like that. We are not going to do it like that. We are going. So I was quite impressed, and as a result, I'm looking forward to hear his arguments today, to hear the authorities that he's going to bring. Oh, my tongue! He's going to bring forward, and I know uRamsipile he prepares. I know the reason I'm talking about Nxumalo and Ramsipile, these are the guys that most people are always like, yeah, don't, yeah, yeah. These guys, the ones that you don't trust, they are always great when it comes to their arguments. Umnisike, bravo for him. Nisi is great. Nisi is great. And I know Umshololo, when it's pub place, she brings small matter. She will bring something so small, and she will make an impact that you don't even know where it came from. She will deal with you, and she will make an impact that you don't even know where it came from. And at this point, I know Baloyi is not good with arguments. Baloyi is not good with arguments. And sadly, even Sibanda is not going to be good on arguments because he is learning from Baloyi. Bona, they are good with the records. But when it comes to arguments, they are going to, I know they will argue something long. But that's something long they will be arguing. Oh, God, I promise you, we are going to feel like sleeping. Something else interesting is that Jadrata said we can exchange notes on Monday morning. And also Jadrata herself said he's going to bring his. But now we don't trust Jadrata. Do you remember there was a time I went to Umnisi, bring me authorities. The next thing when Umnisi was talking about Governor and others, did not even finish that first one. Jadrata was like, what is ruling? So I don't trust him. I don't trust him. Hence, I am looking forward to see what is going to happen. What is his angle? Why is he trying all of this? I am really looking forward to see all of this. Where is it going to go? So, what are you looking forward to today? Mina, Nxumalo, Ramsipile. I'm not worried about Mshololo and Mnisi, but Nxumalo and Ramsipile, I'm looking forward to that. When it comes to the state, I know I'm going to need to sleep. I know I'm going to have to sleep at some point because, wow. Oh, my God. Oh, my God. OMG, Gesana. Nah, my situation is just sitting there. I know I'm going to sleep. I'm tired for Ubaloye. I'm worried about Rata's reactions. I'm worried about how Rata is going to deal with this entire situations because now he's komunye nje uJadrata oyokwenza ufilishe into yobana ngaba Nkosi yami. So it is what it is. We're just going to have to see how are they going to handle the entire situation. What are your thoughts when it comes to all of this? Do you think the arguments are going to be fruitful? Do you think the arguments are going to make Judge Ratta allow Baloyi to go through asking Dancy questions when it comes to what you call the so-called confessions? Why do you think Judge Ratta is doing this? Kuningi, guys, it's a lot. Oh, it's a lot. So I want us to go and listen and hear what's going to happen. Anyway, thank you so much. I will see you on our next video. Do enjoy your day. I'll come back to tell you what happened. I'll tell you what Baloyi said. I'll tell you what each one of them said. I'll tell you everything that the judge says. I'll tell you. See you. Bye-bye.